I have seen the requirements in the entry level. I have seen like people are joining this course. We discuss among different company we all friends work. So we discuss and we come to know like this is one of the good hot cake that we should learn and then we should enhance our skills. We are getting a little sense of security by learning this course. Cloud computing is like you can see everywhere nowadays. There is a future in that course. If you see like if I have to switch from Java to something else, what new I can pursue easily also, and I can it's like there will be no the different kinds of traditional coding learnings required. So this is what I came to know about this Kubernetes administrator. So I thought of better I will join this. In the company now, my company is also moving to the cloud. So their target is like by 2022, everything will be on the cloud. And then upskilling also was like one of the things like we don't get any dedicated time slots or dedicated training from the company's side. We have to do our own. So that was also one of the reasons that we thought of like we'll upskill. And you could see like in the future, like we can say this Kubernetes and all will stay in market in demand for next 10 years or 15 years at least. What I felt like, see, I have done it's not like I blindly joined this course, and I have seen the requirements at the industry level. I have seen like people are joining this course. We discuss among different company we all friends work. So we discuss and we come to know like this is one of the good hot cake that we should learn and then we should enhance our skills. We are getting a little sense of security by learning this course. It's like it was really very good experience. I'm not saying only the teacher. If you see the staffs in K21Academy, including Atul or back office staffs also who manages that entire session, they all are very attentive and they all are like very helpful. And classes are also like going very well. Obviously, that tutor was so good. She was teaching very well. Apart from that, like our queries and all was answering. On the portal point of view, if you see, I went to those portals and I found like the video that was pre-recorded, not the live session one. That I found it like very nice and concrete. Like as if suppose I have to refer the videos, I was referring that pre-recorded videos only.